To this chapter, and I am here for helping everyone who want to become a real and I want to increase their knowledge and skills about mechanical engineering in these words. So if you hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. This is Mechanics and Techniques channel. So if you want to become an engineer, if you want to increase your knowledge and skills, don't hesitate, follow this video for knowing more about mechanical engineering. So today we're going to learn about braking system, as you see here in this screen. So I invite you for subscribing this channel for following the next lesson. So without wasting time, let's start learning this chapter. So now I'm going to explain what is braking system, and after I will continue with types of braking system. Thirdly, we have to continue together with functions of braking system, and lastly we discuss and explain about the operating principle of braking system. How does braking system works? So let's start. What is braking system? A braking system means the component required to stop motor vehicle, including the braking pedal, master cylinder, connecting hoses, line fluids, linkage drums, shoes, rotor, pads, caliper, and the parking brake. This is definition of a braking system. I will repeat again. What is a braking system? Means component required to stop motor vehicle. Components including braking pedal, master cylinder, connecting hoses, lines, fluids, linkage, drums, and shoes, rotors, pads, calipers, and the parking brake. That is the meaning of braking system. It means that braking system is all component which help to stop the vehicle when it keep moving. So this is braking system and their component, but we explain this circuit on the operating principle of braking system. Now I put this picture on this in order to show you the braking system and how it look like in the motor vehicle or on the car. So let's continue together with tips of braking system. In these books it shows many types of braking system, but nowadays we use only 2 types of the brakes: drums brakes and the disc brakes. So hydraulic brake system and electromagnetic braking system, and advantage of electromagnetic braking system, servo braking system, mechanical braking system. But nowadays many cars, many motor vehicles, they use these types of braking system: disc brake and the drum brake. You have to remind and remember these types of braking system: disc brake and drum brakes. That is, those are the types of braking system. I think and this point is very clear. So let's continue. But if you want to follow other good lesson like this, you have to follow on this channel, Mechanics and Techniques, because it will help you to know more about mechanical engineering. And you in this channel, the first I'm going to put all systems which combine the motor vehicle. Before we learn these steps, all system of the vehicle, we learn the other part of the engine and the other lessons. So you have many lessons. If you want to follow it, just I invite you to subscribe for following next lesson. So let's continue together with function of braking system. Listen well at this point. Braking system function. The first function of braking system is to slow down the vehicle. The first function of braking is to slow down of the vehicle. Is the first function of braking system. Second function of braking system is to stop moving the vehicle. Just maybe here, when you want to stop your vehicle immediately, please press your brake pedal for stopping your vehicle immediately. Thirdly is to keep it stopped when needed and keep it stationary when parked, making them therefore an important item for safety. Maybe just you have some short problem, you want to park your vehicle on the side of the road. Just you have to press your brake pedal and then put your vehicle in the parking. That is 3 function of braking system. I think this is a very understandable system than others. Just if you understand the function of braking system, you have you move the first steps of knowing other systems of the motor vehicle. I think the function of braking system is clear. So we're going to continue with how braking system works. As you see here, we have a brake pedal, brake boost, master cylinder, hoses lines, where the fluid are passing through when you want to reach into the maybe drums or pads for stopping your vehicle. So let's continue together with operating principle of braking system. This is our interested point in this chapter we're going to learn today. Be interested and understanding it well for helping you to know more about the braking system. I know and I try to explain each and for summarizing the word in order to help you to understand what is the meaning of all these systems. I think before I explain this, we are going to read the operating principle of braking system, and after those we will explain every component of braking system and their functions. Let's read how the braking system works. Let's start. The car braking system works in a few ways. The first, your foot push on the brake pedal, and the force generated by your legs is amplified several times by mechanical leverage. Pressure is transmitted. Listen to me well. After pushing your brake pedal, the pressure is transmitted equally to all 4 wheels brakes. Force creates the friction between the brake pads and the disc brakes, rotor, which is what stop your vehicle. I think is this understandable point. Let me tell you in easy ways. If you are a driver, use your mentally for understanding this point. When you press your legs on the brake pedal, the fluid generates the pressure. That pressure is transmitted equal to all 4 wheel brakes. The force creates a friction between brake pads and the disc brake rotor, which is what stop your vehicle. I think is very easy to understand this, how the braking system works. Let me tell you, this is the brake pedal. Is where your leg pushed for transmitting the oil or fluid from a master cylinder into those hoses in order to reach into hoses and reach into brake pads and the brake disc. Here we have a brake boost. Let me tell you and explain the function for brake boost. Brake boost make easy for driver to brake, increasing the force exerted without need for additional force applied on the foot pedal. Or it helps to boost the performance of a braking system. I think it's understandable. The brake boost, it helps to boost the performance of a braking, but it helps to pressing the brake pedal with not easy to transmit fluid from The brake pedal not really needed a high force for pushing the brake pedal. Is the function of brake boost. And then you have master cylinder. Here you have a reservoir where the oil is stored, and then under the reservoir you have master cylinder. Master cylinder, it helps to feed the brake fluid. It helps to transmit or to feed the oil coming from master cylinder into hoses. Is the reason why they said it helps to feed the brake fluid into the brakes circuit, to convert the pressure on the brake pedal to the hydraulic pressure. That pressure is the reason why to create the friction into brake pad and the brake discs. So, in order to help you to understand the word, let me show the video will help you to understanding it very well. Follow this video. As you see here, we have brake pedal, push rods, servo motor or brake booster, push rod, you see, servo or you have to call the servo or brake booster. We have a master cylinder which helps to feed the fluid into the hoses. Here we have a reservoir where the oil are stored, which uses in the braking system. Hydraulic lines. Hydraulic lines, it helps to transmit oil from a master cylinder up to the wheels, 4 wheels. When you push brake pedal, you see here as they showed you in this video, continue for watching. When you push the brake pedal, the push rod push into the brake boost, and the brake boost it helps to make easy way for pushing that push rod in order to push oil into master cylinder. In this video it will help you to understand well, and that is why is how they work into the vehicle. When you push the brake pedal, the oil are transmitted into that hoses in the same ways and the equal times for avoiding bad condition of braking system. After that, the oil coming from master cylinder, it continues into the ways for making friction between the brake disc and the drums. You see, when oil reach into this, the friction is immediately into this brake disc, as you see here. It's the reason why I use this video for helping you to know more about this chapter, and I am here for helping everyone who want to become a real and I want to increase their knowledge and skills about mechanical engineering in these words. So if you like this video, you can share your friends, your classmates, and others. So that's how the braking system works. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for following this chapter. Subscribe and like and comment. So thank you for watching this video. Follow and subscribe for following next lesson. See you.